Dear madams, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show you the very pretty, the celebrity style, lightweighted, breathable fabric and special for the upcoming Christmas festival. The party wear collection, just rupees 1050 free shipping all over India. If I talk about this material, then you receive premium quality soft Chinnon material. We have more than 4,500 plus designs in affordable price one, so must be visit our online store www.vastranand.in. You can download our application, Android and iOS device. Let's start the video. First product you receive the peacock feather color combination as well as the peacock feather detailing and entire the printed pallu parts with a very pretty the soft Chinnon material with a Swarovski cutwork patterns in entire the border part. Here you can see the very pretty the fill fold of the saree with elegant the big size peacock in entire the pallu parts. Here you can see the very pretty the big size peacock in pallu parts with a very elegant dark rama color combination the entire the body with a negative arcs of this peacock feather patterns with a soft Chinnon material. Here you can see the cutwork fusions with a Swarovski fusions. The saree you received at just rupees 1050 free shipping all over India. Cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Let me show you the blouse piece. In blouse piece you receive the darker rama color combination with a china flower patterns in entire blouse piece. If you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel, our YouTube channel. It must be follow Instagram page Vastranand. Daily we are launching 4 to 5 different designs in affordable price point. Let me show you this new arrived the very pretty the Rang Barso collection with a big size multicolor combination bandage fusions, the shibori batik fusions entire the body parts with a light chiku color combination with a contrast bandage fusions, the traditional touch of this printed pink color combination pallu parts with the Swarovski fusions, same concept, different motif in affordable price point, just rupees 1050 free shipping all over India. Here you can see the multicolor combination to the Rang Barso collection special. Let me show you the softness of the saree. Here you can see the lightweighted breathable fabric and premium quality, just rupees 1050 free shipping all over India. Kashmir to Kanyakumari you receive the totally free shipping, but cash on delivery charge will be extra. The light chiku color combination plain blouse piece. Our customer care executive number is 815-400-0063, Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. We are providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number. And if you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then video call service also available. So must be booked one day before in our customer care number. Here you can see the last but not the least the very premium my personal favorite, the very pretty the pistol color range in the half white color combination with a sky blue pistol color range in entire the body parts with a very pretty the flower motif in entire the body as well as the Swarovski cutwork fusions in entire the border as well as in pallu part. Here you can see the skirt pallu concept. In pallu parts you receive the full printed, in skirt part you receive the half and half concept with a blue color combination the selvage pattern. This premium quality soft Chinnon material saree you receive that just 1050 free shipping all over India. If you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel, our YouTube channel and must be for our Instagram page with a blue color combination plain blouse piece. Vastranand Madi Anandam Medi by now at Vastranand.in.